Hello my friends, my name is Opi Shakya, and guys, today in this video I'm going to share about some tips and tricks of how to speak English well. So guys, if you want to learn this language and if you want to speak like fluent speakers, so you need to practice every day. Every day at least you practice for 10 minutes in English language. Do not forget about mistake. Now you're beginner, so beginners make many mistakes, but they do not repeat the mistakes again. So you also have to do it. You also have to implement this trick, and by using this trick, by implement this trick, and by working on this trick, you can enhance, you can improve, you can make your language beautiful, attractive, influensive. But first of all, you have to take an action. You have to start speaking right now. Actually, by speaking a little, I'm not talking about we should speak English very fast. When a person starts speaking English slowly, so in the beginning he definitely makes many mistakes, and not beginner, everyone makes many mistakes in the beginning. So it does not mean that he cannot learn, he cannot improve, he cannot communicate with the people. But at least everything takes time, so everyone can do it. And right now I'm speaking English in front of you, and you are seeing that in between I'm also getting nervous, and I'm also fumbling, because when we try to speak English and our mind goes blank and we are not able to speak anything. And before speaking we have to think what to speak, how to speak, what if I make mistakes. So all these things are necessary and common for every learner, every beginner who wants to command and who wants to master this language. So first of all, and in the beginning, in the starting, you will have to face many difficulties. You will have to encounter many difficulties. Actually, in the beginning, speaking English very fluently is not a piece of cake, is not a cup of my tea. Yes, this is not a my cup of tea. So after a long time I am recording this video, and first of all, the people are watching my video, and you all are thinking that you don't upload your videos on a regular basis, on a daily basis. Actually, after a long time, after many days, I am recording this video because I did not get the time, and due to some conditions and due to some situations, family conditions, so I was not able to record my video. So finally I have found a clue, I have found an idea. So because of that I am recording this video. And day to day, if you want to speak something, if you want to speak a little in English, and particularly we should talk on any topic. So the topic is today is health. My topic is health. Guys, in this world, if you want to do anything, first of all you will have to focus on your health. You have to concentrate on your health. You have to care of your health, because health is the major part and major clue of your life, a major wealth. Health is wealth. It is said that health is wealth. Without health, you cannot do anything. You cannot do read, you cannot do write, you cannot do speak, you cannot do spend your time when your health will not be okay. So you cannot do anything. So first of all, focusing on our health is our responsibility. So right now, take an action on your health and improve your health, because with the health, right now I'm able to communicate you, I'm able to speaking to you. So health plays a major role in our life, not particularly in my life, in everyone's life. Health is wealth. First of all, you know what, sometimes we don't pay attention to our health. We ignore, we avoid. Nothing will happen. And we avoid small things, small symptoms. When we know that these are very difficult, these are the causes to our life, but still we avoid, we ignore, we don't focus. So curing our health is first priority, responsibility, and right now we should take an action, and we should focus, and we should change our life. Actually, you can change your life. First of all, you will change your health, improve your health, enhance your health, fix your health. First of all, we should recognize what are the symptoms by which I am not able to improve my health. So first of all, we have to work on the symptoms. Like you can say that right now I have a cold, and my voice is not clear, and I am speaking loudly, harshly, because I have a sore throat because of cold. Don't consider cold as a normal disease. Cold is a very major disease. Actually, in the beginning, you do not get you do not get to know. You don't get to know anything about in the beginning, but after some time, when this disease go worst and go bad. Yes, this disease goes bad. So we feel under the weather, we feel something bad, something gloomy. So the topic is that we all should focus on our health first, and day to day, whatever you are doing, you give your 100% time to your journey, your target, which you want to achieve, which you want to gain, and if possible, keep on learning, keep on gaining knowledge throughout the day. Don't sit idle. But it will be possible when we focus our health. Health is wealth. So in this video, I would like to end up. I hope that, and I felt good by talking to you. because you all are beginner and you all are listening. So first of all, we should and we determine that we should take care of our health, and we will care, and we will keep an eye on our health. We will monitor our health. There are so many verbs you can use. First of all, I can use that describe. Describe means to express something about anything. Right now I am describing about health, I am describing about disease. So this is a bird. Actually, when we start speaking something, I'm not able to remember what are the words which I should use. So thank you so much for watching this video till the very end, and please tell me in the comment box, do you like my video or not. Actually, right now, I will keep uploading my videos on regular basis, because by speaking I can improve my English like you all. So thank you so much, and please share this video with those who need it the most. Thank you so much.